I want all of you to tell me now what would be the output, what will be printed on the screen when I run this code. Sandhya, Ashu, I would want both of you to kindly explain your output. Prabhat, Sumit, Manish, kindly explain your output. Shilpi, kindly explain your output. Ashu, read carefully what you have written. See if you can figure out if there is any issue with it, what you have written. Okay, let's understand it. I think let's do this problem. Let us, all of us, do this problem. Okay, I'll create some space on the board and let's run through this problem, all of us together. Let's try and do it. So we are calling string array str in fn1, starting from fn1. So str is equal to, let me just copy it. So what would str be? So when I start from fn1, what is str? Reference where this array. So let us say str is some value 0x a b df. Okay. Okay. I am assuming some value to str. Okay. Is that fine? And what is the value at this location? 0x a b df. What is the value here? Is everybody okay with this so far? So str holds an address, and at that address there is a string array, the value of which is 1 am studying at Trisect. Okay. Now we are calling fn2 the function process with the parameter str. So now we have entered fn2. Now what is ARR? What is ARR? What is the value of ARR? Is that the value of ARR? What does ARR store? ARR also stores the address, the same address, 0 ABDF. Yes? Is that clear? Now let's look at temp. What is temp? Next line is string array temp is equal to ARR. So what is temp? Everybody tell me what is temp. Stuti, we can put in write in the values also. So Stuti, put in the value. So again it is 0xabdf. Both of them are holding the same reference. Is this clear so far? Okay, now let's move to the for loop. For int I is equal to 0, I less than temp dot length. Sorry, my mistake, I did not put brackets. No, sorry, it's a int. It's an array. So temp dot length I plus plus. 10 I plus is equal to wow. Now what will happen here? The first time I'm running here, what will happen? I want everybody to tell me what will change now when I say temp I plus equal to wow. What will be the change that will happen? What will happen now? Manish, I don't want, I want exact what will happen. I want to see it. So the way I'm writing it, I want everybody to tell me what will be the. Manish, that's not good. I'm saying only the first iteration of the loop I've run. So I is equal to 0. So I've reached temp 0 plus equal to wow. So I need that. What will happen now? So here when I have written all these values, which value will I see change in? What will that value look like? Tell me the whole value. What will change? So I put on all the values that we have encountered so far. So which row of my values will change and what will be the change there? Write the whole line, guys. So will the value of ARR change? So let me ask you, will the value of ARR change? The value of ARR would change. What is the value in ARR? What is the value in ARR? What is the value, Ritu, in ARR? ARR holds a reference. So what is the value? What is the reference it's holding? Sumit, what is the reference it's holding? We have defined that reference, Sumit. So is this value 0? The reference ABDF, 0x ABDF, is it changing? No. So what is changing? So what is changing here is the first time I go, this location here, which is storing the values here, is now going to become. Is this clear? So we have changed the value here. This is where we have made a change. Is it clear to all of you? Any questions? Does anybody have any question? Okay. Okay, so next when I is equal to 1, what will happen? Am will again become am colon colon wow colon. Studying will again become sorry, exclamation. And same thing will happen to Trisect. So this is how the array will proceed, the for loop will proceed. Okay, then let's come to the next line. System.out.println ARR2. So what will get printed on the screen? So everybody is writing studying wow right now. Who all wrote studying earlier? So tell me all those who wrote studying earlier would be printed first. Okay, Shilpi, Ashu, Mukesh, Harsh, Prabhat. Praveen, are you clear? Have you understood, or I am telling you so you're just nodding your head? Is it clear to all of you? I want it to be absolutely clear to all of you. Okay, so now what we are doing? We are returning ARR. So what is the value we are returning? Next line is return ARR. So what value are we returning? What is the value getting returned? Yeah, so this address which is 0xabdf. Now here if I go back to fn1, what are we saying? String str1 is equal to process str. So what will happen here? We are creating another variable str1, and what does it hold? It holds the same address. Clear? Then we are saying system.out.println str2. Now what will get printed out? Obviously the printout will be studying. Wow. So in both the prints, the print will be in both cases. Is it clear?